I've got a vintage Singer, model 301A. The serial number is NA309481, which dates it to 1953. It has the Prism decals, which were used for about 3 or so years. You can see it has the distinct figure 8 in the middle, and this pattern's different from the paperclip decals, which is what the other style's called. The machine's been completely serviced, rebuilt motor, runs pretty strong, and sews pretty good. It's in pretty good condition too. There's some minor scratches on the bed and some light wear to the decals here. It's been rewired. I don't know if I mentioned that. Here's the pedal, rewired to a new pedal. And basically I'm going to show you how well it stitches. So it's 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo in the ad. And then my color choice on the green upper thread, we'll see what we can see here. But it runs good at slow and fast speeds. Pedal's got smooth speed control. I'll try to see if we can see the stitch on the top. A little hard there. You can see on the bottom, the red shows better. There's no skip stitches, no broken threads. Running it a full speed stitch test too is when you notice whether or not it breaks threads. Now I have 3 layers of thin leather, which is basically found on jackets, pants, skirts, purses. I had it with 4 layers, and just every once in a while it would miss a stitch. I mean, it could be from just the type of needle and thread I'm using too. But you can see it buzzes through this pretty good. Come on, autofocus. Here we go. You can see the green thread better there. Now, of course, the red's hidden on the back. Well, you can see from the front that there's no skip stitches, and actually it did skip one right here. I take that back. It did skip one. But other than that, it's not bad. It runs real strong, and there you have it.